Hello, I'm Michael Rosen and I've written a book called Ready for Spaghetti. Funny poems for funny kids with wonderful pictures by Polly Dunbar. It starts first thing in the morning. Then there are poems about things that happen during the day, and the book finishes last thing at night. I'm going to read some poems from the book. The sneeze.
Help! Oh, please. I'm going to sneeze. I think it all started when I ate a bit of cheese. 1, 2, let's count to 10. A tissue, a tissue, a tissue once again.
Where's the sneeze gone? I'm going to guess. It started in my nose and
ended in a mess.